Hello, thank you for coming to the new product explanation class of Danacoid Audio by scanning the QR code. Next, please allow me to share with you our conference integrated audio and video solution. It is a device, but also a solution, with both local meetings and teleconferencing. It can be compatible with both cloud conferencing platforms and hardware teleconferencing platforms. Our conference all-in-one audio and video solution aims to solve the traditional multi-person remote meeting scenario with a camera without a close-up shot. Through the zoom of the camera, only shot the left or right side of the spokesperson. In the past, when there is only one camera in the conference room and the person farthest from the camera speaks, his picture is relatively small, so we cannot see a speech state of the spokesperson. How do we solve such a problem? Let's take a look. In such a conference room, there are 4 cameras, and when no one speaks, as shown in the animation, when the spokesperson is speaking on camera 2, it will immediately capture A. When the spokesperson B is speaking, the camera 2 will quickly go to photograph B. When the spokesperson C speaks, the camera 3 captures C. And if the spokesperson D is speaking, our camera 3 will capture D. There is a possibility that when 2 or more people speak simultaneously, the camera will take a panoramic picture and give it to the far end. When the farthest spokesperson makes the speech, the camera 1 will capture them. When no one speaks, it will automatically enter a panoramic state. If there is a spokesperson holds a wireless microphone while writing on a large screen in front of him, the camera 4 will capture a panoramic view. If no one speaks, the system will still go into panoramic mode. It is all by automatic tracking. For someone speaking at the desk, he doesn't need to press the button on the microphone because all the microphones are turned on at this time. He just needs to speak into the microphone. At the same time, our system can ensure that when a cough or short response, the camera will automatically recognize and not trace. Let's look at the solution for the entire system. Our system can be connected to 3 to 4 cameras and then connected to the ops computer via Type-C. Conferencing terminals connected to the hardware via HDMI. At the presentation end, we connected to the switching machine through Dante microphones. Our device supports 16 Dante signal access. Whether our microphone is connected to this switching machine or to another one, the system can receive the signal from the 16 microphones. The device itself has 8 analog input and output interfaces. The output signal can be sent to our ceiling speakers through Dante and also to our sound column speakers. This is a conference solution for Dante, which is implemented through a system-wide network. The main feature of this system is that the system is all connected by the network, which can achieve full microphone without screaming. When all the microphones are turned on, the spokesperson can speak normally without pressing the button of the microphone. It can also prevent the transient level from being mistakenly triggered, such as coughing, turning books, slapping tables. Clapping hands and other sounds do not trigger the camera tracking. 4 cameras can be used to track, and the picture will be automatically switched. The system can also solve the near talk effect of the microphone and change a pickup phenomenon that is near large and far small. It also includes echo cancellation, which enables teleconferencing. The whole system architecture is for the form of network through the way of Dante. All our devices are connected through the network. This is our other simulated solution. If our microphone is analog, only an extension device is needed here. Transform the simulated signals into Dante signals to our conference integrated audio and video solutions. Our system can support the cloud conferencing platform, or we can display the local images and send them to our large screen. There are 8 simulated input interfaces on the system. We can connect to our power amplifiers through analog output and finally press to our speakers. The whole system is through the form of the network to achieve a control and management of the camera. This solution is not only to use the analog microphone, but also supports the microphone fully open, not howling and screaming, preventing the transient level error triggering, multi-machine video tracking, solve the closing effect of the microphone, including echo elimination, and so on. Take a look at our hose. The USB interface and Type-C interface are used to connect to our ops computer. For HDMI inputs are used to connect the 4 cameras. The HDMI output here can be used to connect to a hardware-based teleconferencing platform or to our conference room screens. Here are 8 analog input interfaces with 8 analog output interfaces. These 2 interfaces are Dante, and the whole system supports 16x16 out-of-the-dot signal. If we have more microphones, we can use the solution through the Dante network interface. We can also output the Dante signal to our back-end device through this interface. The entire audio system contains 25 input channels, including 16 Dante, plus 8 analog plus 1 USB sound cards. It also has 25 bus outputs that can support 16 Dante outputs, 8 analog outputs, and 1 USB sound card output. The system supports echo cancellation. All of our input channels support high and low pass, EQ, automatic gain, compressor, feedback suppressor, automatic mixing, amplitude limiter, segment compression, delay, and other functions. The output end also contains some functions of speaker management. The video section has 4 inputs of HDMI and 1 output of HDMI and a video acquisition function for Type-C. The whole system is 4060x24 for HDMI video access, built-in TIPC audio and video acquisition function, 3.0 USB hub. The USB interface here is used to extend our computer. This product will be officially launched in August 2024. If you need it or are interested in this product, you can contact us to apply for a trial. You need to prepare a conference room with network-controlled cameras 3 to 4, microphones 8 to 4, several power amplifiers, and several speakers. The power amplifiers and the speakers need to be matched. In addition, you need to use the cloud conferencing platform or the hardware teleconferencing platform, which can also be a conference platform with 2 conferences. We will provide a 1 to 2 months trial version of the conference hosting with the whole process of technical support services. You can add my WeChat through this QR code and get in touch with me. Thanks.